How to Clean Slate Tiles Floor. 12 Pro Cleaning Ways plus Care Guide. Slate doesn't etch like marble. It has almost no calcium carbonate, so acid doesn't dissolve the stone itself. The damage everyone blames on the tile is actually happening to the sealer and the grout around it. Here are the 12 professional methods that protect both.
Method 1. Dry soil removal. Every single time. Grit turns into sandpaper the second a wet mop drags across it. Method 2. The 2-bucket damp mop routine. 1 bucket for pH-neutral solution, 1 for clean rinse water, changed the moment either turns cloudy. Method 3. Buff dry immediately. Never let slate air dry, since minerals in tap water stay behind as spots once water evaporates unevenly. Method 4. Soft brush agitation for rough or cleft slate. Working solution into valleys a flat mop simply bridges over. Method 5. The alkaline dwell method for deep cleans. Let the cleaner sit 10 to 15 minutes and do the work rather than scrubbing harder. Method 6. Wet vacuum extraction. Pulling dirty solution off the floor completely instead of mopping it back around.
Method 7. Dedicated grout line treatment with a nylon brush along the line, never a wire brush which scratches stone and leaves rust-causing metal specks. Method 8. A poultice for oil and grease, an absorbent paste sealed for 24 hours, drawing the stain out through slow capillary action as it dries. Method 9. Hydrogen peroxide for organic stains. Coffee, wine, and pet marks respond to oxidation, not scrubbing. Method 10. Targeted rust and metal mark treatment with a stone-safe iron remover, since standard rust removers are strong acids that wreck grout and sealer. Method 11. Efflorescence and mineral haze removal, treated bone dry. Water reactivates those salts and makes the bloom worse. And Method 12. The strip and reseal reset, for floors with failed coatings that cleaning alone can no longer fix.
The vinegar myth and the biggest mistakes. Vinegar doesn't etch slate the way people think, but it still destroys the sealer and eats straight through cement grout, so avoid it anyway. Never use steam. The heat softens sealers and can cause spalling, where the surface flakes clean away. And never attack years of buildup in one aggressive session. 3 gentle cleans always beat 1 harsh one. Sweep before you mop. Rinse twice. Dry immediately. And test your sealer twice a year. Get those right and slate stays beautiful for decades. If you're ready for new flooring, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you in the next one.